All right, this is a quick follow-up to test bed exercise 2 and 3 videos. Some people are having difficulty with getting their test bed to run the code when they're using the wait until the bumper or the limit switch is pressed. What's actually happening, your brain is running the code and it's running it so fast that it's actually reading the multiple wait until commands like they're happening at the same time. Um, the brain works extremely fast, and so it processes that information almost too quickly when you have multiple wait until the bumper is pressed or wait until limit switch is pressed. So what we need to do is slow it down just a hair so that it won't go through and read all those at almost the exact same time. So if you ever have multiple wait until bumper is pressed like this, all right, what you'll want to do is actually put in an additional wait after this first one. You can put one after the second one too. Um, well, actually, I would put an additional wait after all of them until the very last one. You won't need it on the very last one. So since I only have two, I don't really need an additional one here. But if I had, let's say, four or five, then you would want the additional wait time after every step until the very last step. Now, 1 second isn't too bad, but it's actually kind of a long time to sit there and wait for the robot to recognize it. So I would recommend changing this. 0.25 or zero point 0.5 works really well. 0.25, you hardly even notice that it's waiting, but it also slows the brain down enough that it will actually run the code and uh, um, work every time. Um, so this is after some trial and error with some other students, we found that 0.25 seemed to work the best. So that's what I would recommend anytime you have multiple wait until bumper or limit switches pressed.